A jury is deliberating the case of two men charged with murdering Wendy Fisher.
We're talking about Trayon Washington and Pat Brown. They're charged with shooting Fisher in front of her home on Racine Avenue.
Fox 10 News reporter Steve Alexander has been covering this trial all week and joins us live from Government Plaza. Steve?
Now, we understand jurors are about to come out with a question, not a verdict, but a question. They have been deliberating in the jury room in this courtroom here since 3:40, about 3:50 actually, this afternoon. Now, earlier today, there were some prosecution witnesses. The prosecution called 4 witnesses, among them Cindy Jonick and Aloysius Jonick, her husband. They were driving down Racine Avenue, according to police, saw Fisher arguing with some people in a car, and then heard gunshots. However, they both testified that they did not see who did the shooting. In closing arguments, the prosecution and the defense actually agreed on something. They suggested that jurors use their common sense. The prosecution said that 3 people, including Fisher's boyfriend, identified Washington as the shooter. Defense reminded jury that Trayon Washington consistently denied shooting Fisher, and other witnesses had placed a shooter in the back passenger seat, not in the front passenger seat where Trayon Washington was sitting. Once again, it is Trayon Washington and Pat Brown who were charged with murder. The murder of Wendy Fisher back in 2012. The jury has been deliberating since about 10 minutes to 4. The judge has given them the option to go home for the day and resume deliberating tomorrow. We're not really sure what's going to happen at this point, but we do understand that they are coming out with a question. We'll keep you updated. Reporting live from Government Plaza, Stephen Alexander, Fox 10 News.
All right, thanks, Steve, for the update.
A jury has returned a guilty verdict today